Okay, first of all, we have to make something clear. Taraweeh is the name of night prayer that is offered in congregation during the month of Ramadan. So if you pray with your wife or with your friends, night prayer in Shawwal, in Muharram, this is not called Taraweeh. The name Taraweeh is given to the congregational prayer offered during the month of Ramadan. So it's night prayer. Why do we pray it after Isha? Because it's more convenient for us. We have things to do, we want to go to bed, we have work, we have to go to the market, we have to do shopping, so many things. So if we're coming to the prayer for Isha, then it is convenient for the vast majority of us to pray night prayer in congregation together and offer witr. If a woman is not praying in the masjid and she says, Sheikh, can I pray Taraweeh after Isha? I said, of course. But because you're praying home alone, it's best for you to delay it in the last third of the night. So it becomes Tahajjud and Taraweeh at the same time. But it's night prayer. Therefore, if a group of Muslims in a community, let's say they are living offshore somewhere in a compound, and there are 10 of them, and they all agree that, listen, during the month of Ramadan, we'll pray Isha together and retire to our quarters, and then we will pray at 1 a.m. the Taraweeh, which is Tahajjud. That's totally fine and legitimate and the best scenario ever to be done. If you pray Taraweeh with the congregation in the masjid and they offer witr with the Imam, and then you go home and after 5-6 hours, an hour or so before Fajr, you want to pray Tahajjud, there's no problem in that. But due to the prohibition of praying 2 witr in one night, I've already prayed my witr. So you pray 2 rak'ahs, 2 rak'ahs, 2 rak'ahs without any witr, and with that you conclude your Tahajjud prayer because you've already prayed witr in the beginning, so you don't repeat it. I hope this answers your question.